What's going on, everybody? It's James back in the EdgeFinder. If you guys have been keeping up with these EdgeFinder videos and you're enjoying them and you want to get the EdgeFinder for yourself, you can do that in the link in the description. We have links down there for you to purchase the EdgeFinder, as well as talk to one of our team members if you want to chat with them about some more of the features and just talk to them about getting the EdgeFinder for yourself. You can do that there as well. Links in the description if you want to check out the EdgeFinder for yourself. But today we're continuing on showing some features of the EdgeFinder that we haven't really focused on before. And today is a really cool one. We are taking a look at the price forecast. So over here on the left side, right here, price forecast, click on that, takes us to the price forecast page. And if you're familiar with the EdgeFinder videos, you've probably seen something that looks a lot like this in our currency pair breakdowns, our major and minor currency pairs. Here we actually have this price forecast set up with our daily price chart, and we're going to take a look at that in just a second. But here in the price forecast page, if you are really curious to see an accurate an estimated prediction of where price could potentially go if it continues to move higher, if it continues to trend the same way, or if it trends more to the downside, this is what price forecast is for. So we can pick any of our currency pairs that we have featured here in the EdgeFinder. We're starting off, it starts us off on Euro USD, and we can see already it gives us a strong sell bias. So if we go to Euro USD, let's look at that really quickly. Major currency pairs, Euro USD, there we go, it's the first one. Click on that, here we are. We can see strong sell bias, and we can see our daily price chart, which is the same as what we're looking at right here. So I'm going to go back to these pages in just a minute, but we're going to focus solely on the daily price forecast page right now. So again, so we can see we have our average trend line here, the 60th and the 40th percentile here, along with our daily price averages, and a green, orange, and red line. Now, green is so all of this is prediction. This is not concrete evidence. This is not saying if price continues to move upward, these are the numbers you're going to see. These are numbers that we, based off the data that we are constantly collecting and updating in the EdgeFinder, this is what the software predicts these numbers could potentially look like. So here, our green line is if price starts to trend upward a little bit more, starts to do a little bit better. These are some numbers that we could see here. This orange line in the middle is pretty much what we expect this pair to continue on doing. And if things get worse for this pair, if it continues to trend downward even more, we're looking at this red line here. So these are some potential price forecasts. We can actually see here, if you hover over it, you can see the date and you can see our trend line numbers, our percentile, and our averages. And we get those for each of our forecasts as well. Okay, let's take a look at another currency, or maybe even a commodity. What if we looked at like oil? So I'm browsing for oil. Oh, I see it right there. I was actually about to show you that I can also search it. So if I do USO like that, and we can see oil pops up. So if I wanted to do, say, how about GBP? You know, there's all our pound pairs, JPY. There we go. But we're going to take a look at oil. So oil has a neutral bias. It's not trending upwards or downwards too much. We have a neutral buy bias right now. Our average trend line, 60th and 40th percentile here. Our daily moving averages. So for example, today is September 8th. We can look at what it looked like yesterday. We can look at what it looked like a week ago. Let's see, September 1st. And here we have our price forecast lines. We have our green, good. So these are some numbers that we could be seeing potentially if price jumps forward tomorrow, jumps higher tomorrow. Our neutral line and our downward trending line. And again, this is not the only place that we get this information. If we go into anything that we have listed here, how about the SPX 500? Just for fun, look at indices, switch things up. We can see we have a sell bias. We can see that our daily chart is trending downwards. And here we have our price forecasts. So again, all of this information is the same that you'll find right here in the price forecast page. And price forecast is really, really useful if you just want to compare prices for a couple different pairs, indices, commodities, whatever you want to look at. If that's what you're logging on for, you want to see where price is, where price could potentially be going, and you don't want to go through and have to look, and search through all of these down here to look at all the different currency pairs you want to do, all right here in one spot. But it'll always be inside of these currency breakdowns for you, of course. So there we go. That's our look at the price forecast page here in the EdgeFinder. I hope you guys are enjoying these EdgeFinder how-to tutorial videos as we continue to show off all the different features that the EdgeFinder has to offer. Remember, the EdgeFinder is a really useful tool for traders who are navigating the markets because, as we know, markets are super volatile and change minute to minute, hour to hour, and so it's always really useful to have the most up-to-date and accurate information possible when deciding to buy or sell a trade. If you want the EdgeFinder for yourself, you can get it in the links in the description. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you in the next one.
Interested in seeing our trades live as they happen? By joining the A1 Trading Discord, you'll get a notification every time one of our traders enters a position. Each trade we share comes with an entry price, a stop loss, and most importantly, a full breakdown of why the trade was taken. Learn alongside our experienced traders, join our active chat room, and ask your questions in our coaching webinars. Between our team of active traders, we trade Forex pairs, commodities like gold and oil, crypto, and stocks. By joining the group, you'll be able to keep up with all of it. Sign up today using the link in the description, and don't forget to use our promo code listed below for a special subscriber discount. Thanks for watching, and see you inside.